In this video we will learn about custom feature of managing advance authorization license in ERPNext. In India, when you do import against advance authorization license, you have to ensure you do not use this license beyond approved amount for import to avoid penalties. Same way for export, if you do more exports than required against license, you end up losing duty drawback benefit. This app is designed to make management of advance authorization license error-free with minimal efforts. Go to Advance Authorization License and click on Add Advance Authorization License. Add necessary details like license number, export item, application file number, date, due date, application date, approved quantity, approved amount, total license amount. The items you have declared for import and their ratio against export should be mentioned in the item import ratio table. Save the license document after filling all the details. This advance authorization license allows you to track your actual export or import against your declared values by selecting the license at time of sales or purchase invoice. At time of creating export sales invoice, you will see a section of advance authorization license in item table. Here you can choose the advance authorization license number. In the advance authorization license field, enter freight and insurance amount in invoice currency to get FOB value. On submission of this invoice, system will update in the export quantity and FOB amount in the exports table of selected license. Same way, at time of purchase invoice of declared import items, you can choose the advance authorization license and fill in FOB and CIF values of the imported item. Again, the details of import will be updated against selected advance authorization license. System will also calculate the remaining export and import quantity and amount. This will ensure user is not allowed to utilize the license for import beyond approved quantity or amount. For export, you can define maximum percentage variation allowed beyond which user will not be able to use advance authorization license. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more tutorials like this.